Hey guys, it's a tour of my Minecraft world. No, wait, no, this is a tour of my Minecraft world. I think I just said it's a tour of my Minecraft world. Okay, that's sorry guys. So yeah, this is a tour of my Minecraft world. Very first video, but not my very first time playing Minecraft. I've been playing Minecraft for over 2 years, so since alpha time. So yeah. So this is go down. You guys enjoy. So this is my bedroom. Not too awesome. This is my house. A strange looking house, I would say. And this is my sheep pen, sheep stable, whatever you want to call it. And I shear those sheep every time, and when they regain their wool, I just shear them again. So, shear them to give you them. So yeah, and I just put all the wool. This is my farm, where I keep all my crops. This is where I grow my wheat, and I grow my potatoes, carrots, and pumpkins here. And this is my wolf, and my other 2 wolves are over here. I don't know how they got there. These are, this is my cow stable, whatever you want to call it. And there's a sheep. It's weird, whatever. And this is my tree. It's going to be my home once I'm finished with it. And yeah, it's going to be really cool when it's finished. So that's the end of the tour of my room. And it was a really short video. I'll be sure to expand this world so when like it's bigger, I'll do another video on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you later.